Hey everyone, welcome back. Is your iPhone suddenly draining battery like a thirsty marathoner after the iOS 17.3 update? You're not alone. Don't worry, though, because in this video, we'll tackle those battery blues and get your phone back to lasting all day. First, let's optimize background activity. Go to Settings, General, Background App Refresh. Turn it off completely or limit it to essential apps like messaging or news. Now you can tame location services. Go to Settings, Privacy, Location Services. Turn off location services for apps you don't need to track your location all the time. Enable precise location only when needed for navigation or similar tasks. Now let's find out which app is using most of our battery. Go to Settings, Battery. Check which apps are using the most battery. Force quit any apps you suspect might be misbehaving. Consider uninstalling or limiting usage of resource-hungry apps. And here are some bonus tips. Restart your iPhone. This can sometimes clear temporary glitches. Update your apps. Outdated apps can have battery drain issues. Check for system updates. Apple might release a fix for battery drain in a future update. By following these steps, you should see a significant improvement in your iPhone's battery life after the iOS 17.3 update. Remember, everyone's usage is different, so experiment and find what works best for you. If the problem persists, consider contacting Apple support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or battery-saving tips of your own.